Wedding Budget 101. How to plan. Without going broke. Your wedding day should be magical, not financially overwhelming. Let's talk about how to plan a beautiful celebration without breaking the bank. A dream wedding doesn't have to cost a fortune. With smart choices and thoughtful planning, you can have an unforgettable day and stay within your budget. And with the right protection in place, you'll also have peace of mind, no matter what comes your way. Here are 5 simple tips to help you plan a wedding that's both beautiful and budget-friendly. 1. Pick an off-peak date. Fridays or Sundays often come with lower prices. 2. Go DIY on decor. Get creative with centerpieces, signage, and floral arrangements. 3. Keep the guest list small. A more intimate celebration saves money and feels more personal. 4. Choose a non-traditional venue. Backyards, parks, or community halls can offer unique charm at a lower cost. 5. Borrow or rent your attire. Look amazing without overspending. Even with the best planning, the unexpected can happen. A last-minute cancellation, severe weather, or vendor issues can derail your big day. That's why wedding insurance from Klinger Insurance Group is essential. It protects your investment and helps you recover without added stress. Wedding insurance is affordable and offers big peace of mind. Whether it's postponement, lost deposits, or damaged attire, you're covered. Because your wedding should be memorable for all the right reasons. Protect your love story with Klinger Insurance Group. Budget-friendly weddings deserve budget-friendly insurance. Say I do to smart planning and peace of mind today. Call 301-428-4935 or visit www.klingerinsuranceGroup.com.